Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare a meal prep and let's get started. Got quite a bit to do, so let's get started. Okay, these are the chicken wings I purchased from Aldi. So what I'm going to do is take them out of this bag so I can prep them for tomorrow for dinner. Okay, since I have a family member here, this is probably not going to last us a week. Since there's 3 of us now, so for a while, for a short period of while. Actually, he's leaving on Tuesday, going back to Illinois. We've had so many visitors from Illinois lately. Everybody's just falling in love with Texas, especially after they come for a visit, you know, they just love it. I think we are in a beautiful area, and I will do a video on some of the houses in this area. Oh, you can get a chance to see. I don't mind you seeing. You don't have to fly down. I'll show it to you on a video. That's what I love doing on my off days is Bill and I will take a drive around the neighborhood just to see what new homes are being built in the area. And right now the economy is booming with new developments, new restaurants, new everything moving into the area because there's no local taxes, and the taxes, sales taxes are really low. So that's why a lot of people are moving here because of that. They are tired of paying all those high property taxes. But in the area we live in, the taxes are pretty high because I guess the area we live in, you know, I think they're a little bit higher than Killeen. Now these are Jenny O sausages here, turkey, they hot sausages. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and stick them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes and they should be ready. So let me do that now. So just continue to look at my chicken. I'll be right back. Okay, 45 minutes at 350. All right, got my oven on. I have a small oven on the other side there. That's the one I'm using. That's the one I use most of the time. But when I'm cooking for a large family gathering, I cook in both and sometimes even on the gas grill because I have to get things done. Now, you know, if you've been watching a lot of my videos, you know I marinate my chicken overnight. And it tastes really, really good. Today I'm gonna do a mustard chicken. Today I'm gonna prepare for you some mustard chicken. I have marinated this chicken overnight and I will show you how I marinated. What did I use for the mustard chicken? So let's get started. Mustard chicken wings, okay? And I'm gonna just show you real quick how I do that to get everything prepped for tomorrow. Okay, let me just cut this open. And you have to try making mustard chicken. It is really, really good. I'm gonna put quite a bit of mustard in here. Mustard has no carbs, so I would say about 1/3 of this container. I'm adding mustard, half of this container there. I'm adding mustard. And I'm also adding hot sauce because I like it spicy. Bill likes it spicy, and I'm not sure about his cousin, so he might be very surprised when he tastes this chicken if it's too spicy. Now, I'm going to add some more salt to it. So this is so much chicken, I'm going to do at least a tablespoon and a half of sea salt. Because that's a lot of chicken. I forgot to tell you the weight on the bag. that's how you determine how much salt you add. It's 4 pounds, so yeah, I need to add some more. Probably another teaspoon and a half of salt. Okay, all right. Now we're gonna add some black pepper and some Worcestershire. Some Worcestershire to this chicken. And all you're gonna do is stick it back in the refrigerator. It's about 3:30 here, and I'm gonna place it in there, and then probably take it out about 3:30 tomorrow and cook it. I'm gonna bake it in the oven. Just make sure I massage everything together. I need to stick my hand down in here. And get that mustard all over this chicken. Mustard chicken. And then what I'm gonna do is add a pack of stevia to the chicken. And then I'm gonna massage it in again. There you go. So get that sugar, incorporate it in this bag here. Okay, all right. And what I'm gonna do is when I have to go to the refrigerator, I have a refrigerator in my garage, I will flip the chicken, you know, every time I think about it when I go in the garage, which is not that often, but that's what I do so that the marinade can penetrate through all of the meat. See, you see all that sauce on that side? Okay, so if you never had mustard chicken, you have to give it a try. It is very good. It's easy, quick and easy to make. And here we go. I'm done with that. The Genio sausages are ready. So I just took them out of the oven after 45 minutes. So they look great. I'm gonna spray the rack so that the chicken won't stick to the rack. I must cook the mustard that I have left in this marinade. I'm gonna cook it later to pour it over the chicken. I hope I can fit everything on this tray. If not, I'm gonna have to put some in the pan. It's a lot of chicken here. I placed the oven on 375 degrees and I have it set for 65 minutes. So I'm gonna see how that goes because I have a lot of chicken on this tray here. So I've lifted it so that hopefully it'll get crispy on the other side. And I'm gonna just spray some olive oil over it, top of it. It'll help crisp up the skin somewhat. Here are the mustard wings right out of the oven. And They taste delicious. So if you like this video, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. The sauce, if anybody, I'm gonna warm up the sauce, so if anybody like to add some mustard sauce to the chicken, they can do so.